Looking for a good little handheld welder for around the house and small jobs? Got gifted one from a company called PLOWIC. Nice carrying case, by the way. We're going to get it opened up, see what all we get in the case here, and then we're going to try it out, so stick around. Take a look and see what we have here. Okay, have our instruction book here. Comes with welding rods. The welding rod just says that it can handle is 3/32 to 1/8. This runs off of 110 volt and it has a 200 amp maximum output. There's a little welding hood here. You can hold this thing kind of like that. We probably won't get into that. I've got my own welding hood that I trust. This is the handle for this. Comes with a little steel brush, a little chipping hammer on the back. It's our attachment that the welding rod will go in here, and this whole thing will connect to our welding gun. Have our ground lead here. Of course, our welding rod's there. Comes with a pair of welding gloves and our handheld welder itself. Now, just looking at the specs, the closest I can determine, it's going to have about a 35 to 40% duty cycle with it. That's not too bad for a little handheld welder, especially one that plugs into 110 volt. Yeah, you plug this in with an extension cord. You're good to go. This will fit right in right here. It has a little notch on it. Just line that up and then turn it to lock it in place. Just like that. Then your welding rod will slide right in here like this. And then you can tighten that back up, plug that in, hook your ground up, goes in right here, like that. Turn it, lock it into place. And of course, like any welding machine, just hook your ground. That's a pretty good long cord. Hook your ground up to your metal and get busy. So we're going to take this out in the backyard and try it out and see how well it works. Meet y'all out back. You notice there's already some welds on here. That's from previous tests on welding machines. So we're going to run a fresh bead right here. Hook our ground up. Right here on the front is how you will turn this on and set your amperage. We'll bump this up to about 100. You can go anywhere from 95 to 100, somewhere in there. This 1/4-inch channel iron. Get my welding hood on and the gloves on, and we'll be in business. Probably not the prettiest weld you ever seen, but you can definitely tell it does do the job. Like I said, you adjust your amperage right here with the dial. You go up to 200. And then off. Really nice little handheld welding machine that'll get the job done. Like I said, it's for like the DIYers. Just something simple out in the shop or at home, wherever. You're not going to build a big, huge barn with this. I guess you could if you took your sweet time about it, but with that duty cycle, it's just for small jobs. But it'll get the job done, that's a fact. Thumbs up on it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases like this that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.